Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you make informed decisions about your health. In today's video, we're going to talk about Acivir 400DT tablet. We'll cover its uses, benefits, side effects, how to use it, and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Cipla Ltd. Acivir 400DT tablet. Uses. Acivir 400DT tablet is primarily used to treat viral infections caused by the herpes simplex virus. It is effective in treating conditions such as herpes labialis, cold sores, genital herpes, chickenpox, shingles, and other herpes virus infections. Benefits. Acivir 400DT tablet speeds up the healing process of herpes labialis, reducing symptoms like burning pain, blisters, and sores. It also prevents the recurrence of cold sores. In genital herpes, it helps relieve symptoms such as pain, itching, and irritation while preventing the virus from multiplying. This medication is effective in reducing the severity of viral outbreaks and shortening recovery time. Side effects. While Acivir 400DT tablet is effective, it may cause some side effects. Common side effects include headache, dizziness, nausea, vomiting, fatigue, fever, diarrhea, and skin rash. If any severe symptoms occur, seek immediate medical attention. How to use. Take Acivir 400DT tablet exactly as prescribed by your doctor. Dissolve the tablet in a glass of water before consuming it. It can be taken with or without food, but it is best to take it at a fixed time each day for optimal results. How it works. Acivir 400DT tablet is an antiviral medication that works by preventing the multiplication of the virus in human cells. This stops the virus from spreading, reducing the severity of symptoms and clearing up the infection.